Welcome to the video on Accu-Chek Active, the trusted standard in blood sugar monitoring. Experience accuracy, simplicity, and insight in your diabetes management. Accu-Chek is built on a foundation of global trust as the world's #1 blood sugar monitoring brand. We are backed by Roche Diabetes Care, with over 40 years of pioneering technology and a dedicated global team. Get precision you can bet your health on. The meter meets the global accuracy standards of ISO 15197-2013, providing reliable data critical for insulin dosing and tracking long-term health. Unbox a complete health toolkit, including the Accu-Chek Active Meter, test strips, sterile lancets, and the SoftClicks lancing device for accurate blood sugar testing. The Accu-Chek Active is designed for daily life. It is lightweight, uses an alkaline battery with a 30-day battery life, and has a compact, portable design. Get fast results in just 5 seconds. The SoftClicks lancing device uses Clicks motion technology for virtually pain-free testing, enhancing your comfort. Benefit from intelligent monitoring and storage. The meter stores up to 500 test results, allows for pre- and post-meal markers, and differentiates glucose levels based on food intake. Turn numbers into trends. The meter shows average readings for the last 7, 14, 30, and 90 days, helping you understand the long-term trajectory of your glucose management. The visual double check is a unique safety mechanism. It allows you to cross-reference your digital result by comparing the strip color to the vial scale for extra peace of mind. The testing process is simple. Step 1. Prep by inserting a strip. The meter turns on automatically. Step 2. Lance your fingertip using the SoftClicks device. Step 3. Dose by applying blood to the green field and waiting for the beep. Step 4. Read your accurate result after 5 seconds. Accu-Chek Active is validated by over 21,000 users with a 4.2-star rating. Users praise it as an outstanding tool with exceptional accuracy and comprehensive kit contents. We offer a long-term commitment to care with a 10-year warranty. This covers you against errors or malfunctions, showing why the product is trusted and recommended by most doctors. Accu-Chek Active is the smart choice for health and wallet. It features ISO 15197-2013 accuracy, a complete kit with visual double check, and potential savings through Amazon Business. Be accurate, trusted, and active. Take control of your health with the world's #1 brand in blood sugar monitoring.